In the blink of an eye, 2024 is here. Pakistan, a land of immense potential, is ready to take on the world. But how? Here are 10 quick ideas to enrich this beautiful nation. First, harness the power of youth. Invest in education and skill development. Second, empower women. A nation prospers when its women are free to contribute. Third, focus on technology. The future is digital. Fourth, promote entrepreneurship. Encourage risk takers and innovators. Fifth, leverage agriculture. It's not just about crops, it's about value addition. Sixth, embrace renewable energy. It's clean, it's cheap, it's the future. Seventh, strengthen institutions. Governance matters. Eighth, invest in healthcare. A healthy nation is a wealthy nation. Ninth, prioritize environment. Sustainable development is the way forward. 10th, and most importantly, promote peace. Peace brings prosperity. And there you have it. 10 ideas for a richer Pakistan in 2025.